Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Leaders in Making, and this is Dr. Sunita Tang. This video is very close to my heart, and it's a very special video for me because this video I'm making for giving my gratitude, my respect to Kasturi initiative, an initiative which was already known to me, but the intensity of the initiative and the work was exposed to me by Miss Mugdha Shahji, and I'm blessed that 2020 has given me a role model like Mugdha ji, and I was very happy to meet her during my coaching journey. And in past few months she exposed me to not only to the Kasturi group in detail, but it was a very pleasant surprise when she shared about the concept of Jagriti Yatra. And special thanks to ma'am. This is for all my dear subscribers who are already on this channel. Kasturi is an initiative of Tata Chemical Society for Rural Developments. It's a very special initiative, and I completely resonated with this initiative of Kasturi. Having worked for 2 decades for youth and women empowerment, Kasturi especially is a feminine network of women. They are already working on the connection between the producers and the consumers in the food business, and it has been working with a lot of NGOs, especially people from rural development, especially women, connecting them to the world out, connecting them to the country. And she was the one who introduced me to Jagriti Yatra. My dear friends, Jagriti Yatra is an experience for me. It's a lifetime experience for me wherein I am more aware from within. Few things which I've really learned from is their prominent list of speakers. There were many speakers, whom I have listened to them for the first time, and the kind of work they have contributed not only for our country, for its people, but they are having name outside the country as well. The beauty of all the speakers was that they are connecting their wisdom, they are connecting their work to the upliftment of our nation. And I will be doing more videos to cover all the contents as far as feasibility goes. Because the yatra is currently on, I participated in digital Jagriti Yatra. Jagriti Yatra has already completed more than a decade in India, and the yatra is always, they have done it in a physical form. And this was for the first time that it was done digitally, and it was a blessing to people like us who are not able to move out from their current location due to personal and professional commitments. So this is a request to Kasturi, to Jagriti Yatra team as well, that please initiate, keep on the initiation on the physical and digital, definitely as per your bandwidth and as per your feasibility. So the learning has been tremendous. Few points which was made known to us in the initial meetings of Jagriti Yatra on the platform which they created, that they are building nation with the help of youth and women empowerment. They are doing the mingling between the digital, the technology part. So this was very important for me because I was able to completely resonate with it. The best part was that the something which was very new after long decades for me was they were connecting middle India. While sitting myself in one of the most prominent metro cities of India, working more on urbanization, there was absolutely a different glimpse of rural India. How much people are associated, how much youth is associated, what great initiatives people are taking for the upliftment of rural and moreover connecting urban to rural. The implementation was very prominent, and that was the crux of this, the beauty of this yatra, that they are emphasizing not only on the learning but the implementation of those initiative at national level. And even they are, they have few speakers from outside the country. There are a lot of yatris, there are a lot of participants across India region, and it was very nice to witness the the flair of each and every state, each and every district during this yatra. So this is my gratitude to Kasturi, for bringing this wisdom, this knowledge, this experience, this exposure to my upliftment. And one thing I would like to acknowledge, admit here, that before this I was doing my videos only in language English, but Jagriti Yatra made me realized the the awareness of our own language, our own national language, that is Hindi. So all the videos in the past also I have already uploaded in language English. With this video, you can please put a message to me. I read all my messages personally. I do all the implementation on my videos personally. Please do mention which all past videos you would like to have in the language Hindi, and wherever I have contributed as a speaker or a panelist, I will definitely repeat the crux of those activity conducted in the language Hindi. And from now onwards, I will be doing all the important videos in both the languages. So my personal thanks to Kasturi, Mugdha ma'am, for introducing me to the lifetime journey, lifetime yatra, which is known as Jagriti Yatra. Thank you and happy learning.
चलो बदलने की रुत है यारो, चलो संवरने की रुत